What if life had a refresh button? Imagine you could just press it after a bad day, a bad haircut, or an email you definitely should not have sent. Well, in a way, that's what renewal is all about. Renewal means starting fresh, reviving something, or giving it new energy. It's like when trees shed their leaves in the fall and come back stronger in the spring. Except, with less raking involved. Or when you renew your gym membership with big plans, only to visit exactly once before forgetting it exists. But renewal isn't just about memberships or contracts, it's about life. We all go through phases where we feel stuck, exhausted, or just uninspired. That's when renewal matters most. It could be as simple as a fresh perspective, a new hobby, or even just changing your daily routine to break the monotony. Think about how good it feels to clean your room, reorganize your desk, or finally throw out that thing you swore you'd use one day but never did. That's renewal in action. The cool thing? You don't have to wait for a new year, a Monday, or some cosmic sign to renew something in your life. You can start anytime, right now even. So here's the question. What's one thing in your life that could use a little renewal? A habit? A goal? Maybe just your playlist? Well, let me know in the comments, my friends. And if you enjoy these short episodes, you'll love our longer deep dives on English Plus Podcast. Check out our latest episodes on EnglishPlusPodcast.com. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you next time.